Good morning to all. Students, as you know, I am your biology teacher, Anjana. Students, today we are going to discuss about the cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum for class 9. Okay. All of you open your notebooks and write down all these things about endoplasmic reticulum. You know, endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelles which is present inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, you have to write in your notebook. Write down. I am just going to write here endoplasmic reticulum. Students, endoplasmic reticulum, first of all observed there was a scientist named Porter. Okay, and he also coined the term endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we can say ER. For endoplasmic reticulum, we can say ER. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, ER, term coined by endoplasmic reticulum, term coined by Porter. Okay. Who was Porter? Porter was a scientist who coined the term endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelles which is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelles and it is present inside the cytoplasm of the cell. I am going to draw a diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. Suppose this is a cell. And this outermost covering of the cell is plasma membrane. Okay, this is the plasma membrane. And you know, inside the cell, this is nucleus. What is this? This is nucleus. This is nucleus. Okay. And this endoplasmic reticulum starts from nuclear membrane and spread throughout the cell until plasma membrane. Just look here. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. You can also draw here. This is also endoplasmic reticulum. You can also draw here. This is also endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is spread all over the cell and it forms cytoskeleton of the cell. Yes, this forms cytoskeleton. Write down here. It forms cytoskeleton of the cell. What is the meaning of this cytoskeleton? Cyto means cell, skeleton. This means inside the cell it works as like a skeleton. Okay, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now next, students, in all prokaryotic cells, that is a primitive type of cell, does not contain endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, write down. It is absent in prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells. It is absent in prokaryotic cell, but it is present in eukaryotic cells. present in eukaryotic cells. All eukaryotic cells contain endoplasmic reticulum, but some have exception. Okay, write down here. For example, this is the exception. RBC of mammal. RBC of mammal do not contain endoplasmic reticulum. That means it is absent in RBC of mammals. It is absent. Okay. Now, if we talk about the components of the endoplasmic reticulum, components, write down components. Components of ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum. Components. There are three components of endoplasmic reticulum. There are only three components. Only three components. First one is cisternae. Okay, first one is cisternae, and second one I am going to write here with the help of this column. Second one is vesicles. Okay, and third one is tubules. Only three components: cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. With the help of this table, you can understand easily and you can get knowledge about the differences between all of them. Okay, what is the cisternae? Cisternae is the part of endoplasmic reticulum which is present near the nuclear membrane. Okay, near the nuclear membrane. This write this types of diagram, draw. This is the cisternae. Okay, this is the diagram of cisternae. Cisternae is present like this, and you are unable to look any branches in it. Okay, that means cisternae do not contain any branch. That means it is a unbranched structure. Okay, unbranched. This is unbranched structure. And on the surface of cisternae, this is the surface of the cisternae, contains ribosomes. Suppose this is the ribosomes. It is a granular structure. This is the ribosomes. Now next, write down surface of the cisternae contains ribosomes. That means ribosomes are present. Okay, ribosomes present. Now, vesicles. Vesicles is a sac-like structure and it may be oval and round in shape. This is the vesicles. What is this? This is the vesicles. It may be oval or round. Maybe oval and round in shape. Okay. And what is the functions of vesicles? The functions of vesicles to store materials. That means its function is storage. A storage of materials. A storage of materials. These are the second components. Now third component is the tubules. Tubules, this is the tubules. Okay, this is the tubules. This is the tubules, and this is the bronzed. Okay, this is the bronzed structure. It is the bronzed structure, and it do not contain ribosomes like cisternae. That means here ribosomes absent. Ribosomes absent. Okay, and due to absence of ribosomes, this surface becomes smooth. Okay, the surface of tubules is smooth, a smooth surface, and the surface of the cisternae, due to presence of ribosomes, it looks rough surface. Okay, this is the cisternae, vesicles and tubules, three components of the endoplasmic reticulum who form all parts of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now I am going to discuss about types of endoplasmic reticulum. Types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. You know well. Types of endoplasmic reticulum. Types of ER. Okay. There are two types of ER. Two types. There are two types of ER. First one is RER, means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And second type is SER. SER. Smooth, S for smooth. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum is present near the nuclear membrane. Students, look here. This is the nuclear membrane, and this position contain SER. Okay, SER present near the nuclear membrane. Sorry, RER present. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, present near the nuclear membrane. Near the nuclear membrane. Rough endoplasmic reticulum present near the nuclear membrane, and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum present near the plasma membrane. Okay, near the plasma membrane. Near the plasma. Near the plasma membrane. Okay. Now, RER contains ribosomes. Ribosomes present, but here ribosomes absent. Ribosomes absent. Okay, and it is a stable structure and it is unstable. Unstable structure. Okay, if we talk about the functions of RER, then it synthesis protein. Synthesis protein. Protein, and it synthesis lipid, fat, cholesterol. It is. Okay. Now, functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions. First function is endoplasmic reticulum forms cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton of the cell. Okay. Now second, it helps to formation of nuclear membrane. Okay. Now third is it also helps in detoxification. What is detoxification? If any poisonous things enters inside the cell, then it gets neutral. Okay, it gets neutral inside the cell by the help of endoplasmic reticulum. Now next function is it also helps in the formation of glucose from glycogen. Okay, this is the functions, and it also helps in protein synthesis. Now students, write down homework. Okay, homework. Explain endoplasmic reticulum with diagram. Now next question, difference between SER and RER and SER. Okay, this is the two questions for your homeworks. So students, today we get knowledge about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, thank you.